Hello everybody, welcome to the Infinite Cup. My name is Robert and this is the weekly Q&A video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And I encourage you guys to get on my Instagram. That's where I spend the most time. That's where I get engaged with you guys, get your feedback, seeing you on a day-to-day basis. So earlier this morning I was on Instagram and I asked you guys to ask me anything. We're gonna do that right now. Get down and dirty. Are you ready? So, thank you so much for your amazing participation. It's really encouraging to get to know you guys and to continue this relationship so we can expand our cups together. So, all right, let's get into it. Question number 1, Adventure Buddy 18. Have you ever been to a Mediterranean countries? And if not, I assure you it would be a perfect choice to visit. No, I have not. I have always wanted to go to Israel. That's probably number 3 on my list, and I will get there eventually. So I have not been to any Mediterranean countries. So, AKK Chagamama, is there reincarnation? This is a good question. Of course there's reincarnation. It wasn't until I got into my yogic journey until I really understood karma and reincarnation, and it completely changed my life. I feel like most people are living on the surface in this materialistic world, and the real magic is within. Okay, so yes, believe in reincarnation. Start living your life like you're a spirit instead of this meat suit just walking around all the time, right? Variety Health, how's it going? How many states and countries have you been to? You know, I've traveled all over the United States many times, hitchhiking, riding my bicycle, in a van, of course, living the van life. Countries, I've only been to Canada, Asia, China, let's see, Thailand, less than 6 countries. So I really want to get out there and explore more. I got some new travel adventures I'm looking forward to, and I'll keep you guys posted. All right, Heal Yourself with Nature. What do you think about the keto diet? Here we go. I've been waiting for this one. So this is huge, everybody. Don't follow trends, okay? I feel like the keto thing, the high fat thing is in right now. And it's hilarious to me because you see all these trends come and go, right? That's proof in itself that there's no validity in these trends. So what do I think about the keto diet? I think it's just that, a trend, and it will come just like it is right now, and it will go. So what's always true and sustainable and the most natural thing on the planet is fruits and vegetables. The reason why nobody's, you know, marketing it to you or anything is because there's no way to make money from that. Trust me, I'm on an organic farm right now. I've been farming most of my life, and it's not a high-paying job. You're not going to make hundreds of thousands of dollars per year. It's something that you have to choose with your passion and how you can really contribute to this world. So if you're on the keto diet, I encourage you to stop eating processed fats. There's nothing wrong with fat, especially saturated fat. It's great as long as it's in a whole food source. You can't throw the baby in with the bathwater, right? So it's not like, oh, keto is bad, blah, blah, blah. Yes, there is such thing as going into ketosis. No, it's not popular or even good for you at all to go into ketosis on a regular basis and or with all these processed and animal-derived foods, okay? To me, that's very obvious. So let's get past all these trends and do what I do, okay? Just go within, get quiet, really ask yourself these questions and listen to your body, listen to your intuition, okay? Get rid of these crazes and all this vegan, this keto, get rid of all these labels and just listen to yourself. Ask yourself very simple questions, meditate upon them, and the answers will come to you, all right? So, great question. All right, who's next? Vegan and Happy, how did you grow your hair so long? Any tips? Every week, get those hair questions. It's pretty funny. So, you know, tips for growing hair is simply, okay, vitamin D. And one thing nobody talks about is silica. We are made up of silica, and you know, your fingernails, teeth, all these things, hair is mostly made up of silica. So the only thing in the natural world is actually horsetail. You can take a horsetail supplement, which has the highest concentrate of silica in a natural form that's the most bioavailable. So I'd recommend that if you're really wanting to grow your hair long in a natural way. Cool, cool, cool. PSD, what's up, brother? Your weapon of choice in a zombie apocalypse. And what's your favorite dish? You know, weapon of choice in a zombie apocalypse, I would go super old school probably, and just keep it real with like a, you know, something I found on the ground, like an axe or something. Just keep it old school. We don't need any militia. I'm just kidding. I practice the ahimsa, non-violence. The zombie stuff is just, it's too much for me. And what's your favorite dish? You know what? My favorite dish, it's been a staple for years now, is what I call the warm salad. I get a big bowl of greens, and I usually roast seasonal, you know, like potatoes, peppers, anything that's seasonal, has some hardiness to it, to throw in on top of that salad, and it's a nice balanced meal. Cool. So that's it everybody. Boom, that's it. Thank you so much. This was great. So again, I do a weekly Q&A. Thank you so much for all your questions. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking below, and I'll check you later. Blessings.